Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jack in Wisconsin on the Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. Jack, we got you all fixed up, ready to go. We're going to get it up there to cheese country. We got your electrolytic cap upgrades, the Shiva voltage regulator, high cut filter, and the tune alignment. High cut filter's right here on the back. Dramatic difference. I'm going to go ahead and show you RF power all the way down, 500 watt slug, 25 watts. Or if you decide to run 16, 24 pill, etc., you're good. And 130 all the way up. Average power swing, 300 bird. Let's see if we can hit 700 peak on a 1,000 watt scale. About 720. All right, Jack, we'll get it out to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.